When a patient is transferred from the hospital to a skilled nursing facility like Westport Rehabilitation and Nursing Center here in Henrico County, they're often in a fragile state and they're in need of a lot of care and monitoring. But our investigation found that state and federal rules for doctors caring for these patients in skilled nursing facilities only mandate that a physician do an initial comprehensive visit on a patient within 30 days of admission. After that, doctors have to see their skilled rehab patients every 30 days for a recertification visit, but every other one of those can be delegated to a nurse practitioner, for example. So technically, if you were in a rehab facility for 90 days, a doctor would only have to visit you twice. Dr. Jim Wright, the medical director at Lakewood Retirement Home in Henrico, says that's not enough.
Certainly when someone is first coming in, physician involvement, certainly for their history and physical, which should occur within the first few days, and then ongoing visits by the physician for at least 2 or 3 weeks, and I would say on a weekly basis, is super important to the success of their rehab stay.
But Wright says that's not what is happening in some skilled rehab facilities.
A lot of us are still practicing 1990s medicine, where physicians could come by the nursing home once a week or once a month and treat their long-term care patients. That is not the case now, and I think some physicians have not caught up to that.
By law, nursing homes and rehabilitation centers have to employ a medical director to oversee care, but that doctor does not have to actually visit with patients. There is also no cap on the number of facilities a doctor can be the medical director for. We found one doctor is the medical director for 31 nursing homes across Virginia. That's according to the Virginia Department of Health. Tonight at 11, why the state says there is no cap on the number of facilities a doctor can be the medical director for, and you'll hear from a family who says they do not believe their mother had enough physician involvement at her skilled rehab facility. In Henrico, I'm Melissa Hippolyte for CBS 6.